nice to have everything kind of line up, be ready to go. All the fall apart designs are getting made right now. It's so humid in Thailand that you can see the design just wanted to run away, but luckily, just luckily, bring these up nice and high. But yeah, that looks good. Actually, this looks solid. If I just keep it nice and hot, keep it upright, and smooth it out now. Smooth it out now. Just smooth it out. Make sure this isn't part of the design. If you see something